Meaning of enthuse.
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 Enthuse. The word enthuse means to express enthusiasm or excitement about something. When someone is enthused, they are passionate and excited about a particular topic or activity. This can manifest in their behavior, such as speaking enthusiastically or exhibiting high energy levels. The result of being enthused is often a contagious enthusiasm that can inspire others and create a positive and lively atmosphere. Enthusiasm can also lead to an increased level of engagement in one's work or hobbies, resulting in higher levels of productivity and enjoyment.